Menstrual cramps and irregular menses affect a woman's life quite a lot. Today we will discuss about the top 6 teas, juices, salads and hydros that will help to reduce menstrual cramps and also regulate your periods. First, let's start with teas. Number 1, ginger tea. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces prostaglandins, which are the compounds that trigger menstrual cramps, and also it relaxes the muscles of the uterus and the bladder, so it eases the pain and discomfort associated with the periods. How to make it? You can simply boil 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, fresh ginger if possible, boil it till it reduces to half, strain the mixture, add little honey to it and then sip and enjoy this tea during your period. You can have it once a day. Number 2, chamomile tea. This tea acts as a muscle relaxant and it will calm your nervous system. It is very effective in reducing the spasms and cramps that you get during your periods. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers. If you don't find it, you can take chamomile tea bags, boil 1 cup of water, add these flowers or tea bags, steep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then strain and drink. You can add a little honey to it. Enjoy this tea during your period to reduce the cramps. Third, cinnamon tea. Cinnamon improves the blood circulation to the uterus. It also helps in balancing the blood sugar levels, which in turn affects the hormones responsible for regulating your menstrual cycle. How to make it? Take 1 cup of water, add 1 cinnamon stick, boil it until it reduces to half. Strain the mixture and add a little honey to it and sip and enjoy this tea during your period to improve the blood circulation and to balance the hormones. Fourth, fennel seed tea. The main active compound in fennel seeds is called anethole. It has estrogenic properties and it helps in regulating the periods and reducing the pain associated with it. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, boil it with 1 cup of water till it reduces to half. Strain the mixture and then add a little honey to it and sip and enjoy this tea during your period to regulate your periods and reduce the pain. Fifth, raspberry leaf tea. Raspberry leaf tea tones the uterine muscles and reduces the heavy bleeding, but it balances the menstrual flow. It is very helpful in cases where you have very heavy bleeding and very painful cramps. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of dried raspberry leaves, boil it with 1 cup of water until it reduces to half. Strain the mixture and add a little honey to it and sip and enjoy this tea during your period to reduce the heavy bleeding and cramps. Peppermint tea. It relaxes the uterine smooth muscles and it reduces the bloating, the abdominal discomfort that you experience during your periods. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves. Again, if you don't find them, you can use peppermint tea bags. Boil 1 cup of water, add these leaves or tea bags, steep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then strain and drink. You can add a little honey to it and sip and enjoy this tea during your period to reduce the bloating. Now let's move on to juices. We have already discussed about beetroot, carrot and ginger juice in detail in my previous videos. Beetroot juice, carrot juice and ginger juice, when combined together, are very rich in iron and betaine. Betaine helps to improve the blood flow and it is very helpful in cases of anemia-linked irregular menses. Similarly, pineapple juice and papaya juice, when consumed during your period, can be very beneficial because they contain certain enzymes and vitamins that help in reducing the inflammation and also helps in regulating the blood flow in your body. Similarly, aloe vera juice and lemon juice, when combined together, will help to detoxify your body and naturally balance your hormones. Also, pomegranate juice is excellent for improving the circulation and bringing regularity to your cycles. It also supports a healthy uterine lining. Now let's see some salad recipes for you. Number 1, spinach, avocado and pumpkin seed salad. These 3 ingredients are very powerful. Spinach is high in iron and magnesium. Magnesium reduces cramps. Avocado provides healthy fats that help in balancing the estrogen and progesterone hormones. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and magnesium, which in turn supports the cycle regularity. To make this salad, take 1 cup of chopped spinach, half a ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds in a bowl. Add all these ingredients and then toss it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a dash of lemon juice. Season it with salt and pepper and enjoy this salad during your period to reduce the cramps and regulate your cycles. Second, kale, beetroot and orange salad. This salad is high in antioxidants, improves the blood circulation, and it is also rich in vitamin C, which helps in the absorption of iron. Take 1 cup of chopped kale, half a cup of grated beetroot, 1 large orange, peel and core, in a bowl. Add all these ingredients and then toss it with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a dash of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper and enjoy this salad during your period. Third, cucumber, tomato and parsley salad. Parsley stimulates the menstrual flow, cucumbers hydrate you, and tomatoes provide lycopene, which is a very good anti-inflammatory agent. Take 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Add all these ingredients in a bowl and toss it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a dash of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper and enjoy this salad during your period. Fourth, carrot, red cabbage and sesame seeds salad. Carrots support liver detox, which is very essential for the metabolism of estrogen hormone. Sesame seeds provide lignans, which are phytoestrogens that help in balancing the female hormones. Take 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 cup of shredded red cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds in a bowl. Add all these ingredients and toss it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a dash of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper and enjoy this salad during your period. Fifth, papaya, watermelon and mint salad. This salad is very hydrating, cooling, and it also helps in regulating your cycles. Take 1 cup of cubed watermelon, half a ripe papaya, few mint leaves. Add all these ingredients in a bowl and toss it with 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Season with salt and pepper and enjoy this salad during your period. Last but not the least are hydros. These are mild herbal waters or infusions that you can sip throughout the day during your period. Fennel water is very good for regulating your periods. To make fennel water, soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds overnight in 1 glass of water. Strain this water in the morning and drink it on an empty stomach. Second, cumin water. Cumin improves the digestion and balances the female hormones. Boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it during your period. Third, coriander seed water. This water supports detox and is very useful for irregular periods. Soak 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds overnight in 1 glass of water. Strain the water in the morning and drink it. Fourth, basil or tulsi infusion. Stress is a major cause of menstrual irregularity. Basil, which is called as tulsi in Marathi, reduces stress and balances hormones. So steep 2 to 3 hand-crushed basil leaves in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this infusion during your period. Ginger lemon water is a very good morning detox drink. It reduces inflammation and pain associated with the periods. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and few lemon juice drops to 1 glass of warm water. Stir and drink it every day during your period. Last, cinnamon-infused water. This water supports blood sugar balance and overall uterine health. Add 1 cinnamon stick to 1 cup of warm water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this water during your period. Apart from these drinks and teas, I would also suggest you to avoid caffeine, excess dairy, processed sugar and fried food. These things increase inflammation in your body and affect your hormones, which in turn worsens the cramps and causes cycle irregularities. Also include magnesium-rich foods in your diet like nuts, seeds and leafy green vegetables. Magnesium relaxes the uterine muscles and reduces the cramps. So try out these 6 teas, 6 juices, 6 salads and 6 hydros to reduce the pain and regulate your menstrual cycle. Namaskar.